Let's look at how to set up parallax scrolling in Ed. So you can achieve parallax effect when you draw on different boards. So when you have a multi-layered drawing setup, by simply setting the parallax property of each board to some factor of your scrolling value. So terrain 0 right now has 50%, and it moves 50% of the scrolling value. If I change it to 1, you can see the background layer moves exactly the same as how I scroll. And if I change it to 0.2, now it moves slower. We can also set up background colors and everything for our layers. To set a background color, you click here, and then you choose a color. You can also set the transparency. You can set blending modes. For example, soft light, multiply, and then change the tint value. And you can also change the tile sizes. So you can have different tile sizes per board. Right now, the topmost board is 64 pixels or units, and I can change it to 32. To toggle parallax scrolling, you can use this button over here, and now it's off. So when I scroll, the parallax effect is disabled. And when I turn it on again, you can see parallax is activated.